dreams could never fool me. Not that easily. I acted so distant then, didn't say goodbye before you left. But I was listening. You fought your battles far from me, far too easily. Save your tears, 'cause I'll come back. I could hear that you whispered as you walked through that door, but still I swore to hide the pain when I turned back the pages, shouting might have been the answer. What if I grabbed her eyes out and begged you not to depart? Oh shit, it's fake gun! But, whoops, sorry. But now I'm not afraid to say what's in my heart. 'Cause 1,000 words call out to the ages, they'll fly to you. Even though we can't see, I know they're reaching you. Suspended on silver wings. On 1,000 words, 1,000 embraces will cradle you, making all of your weary days seem far away. They'll hold you forever.